Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know today's background is a little bit different from what we know, but like this for the people wondering, like, Millie, do you wear your DIY outside? So yes, I do. I'm having lunch with a friend, so I'm actually wearing like a complete DIY, something I made, my top and my jeans. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe. Press the subscribe button and the bell sign below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So now let's go back to the process. So guys, in today's video you're going to need a pencil, a washable pencil of course, or a marker, a plier, a scissors, a ruler, a shoelace, and a stopper. So you're just going to draw a straight line from the middle of the shirt like so, and you're going to decide where you want the length to be. Then you're going to connect the line in some kind of triangular shape. You're going to connect the line like you're saying. I mean, this video is very self-explanatory. Then I'm just cutting from the neck. Cut exactly where you have the collar. So here I'm just going to be marking where I cut out. I'm going to make 2 inches. Each gap is going to be about 2 inches. Then I'll connect the lines like you'll see very soon. So I'm just going to connect the lines with the other side so we can have the same identical look. So instead of just punching a hole, I'm going to be punching a hole and then using a stopper to make it very professional. So this stopper goes for about 100 naira. So I'm just going to make a little hole, put the stopper. You would want to use a different fabric to put on top of the stopper, so when you're using the plier, the stopper won't get bent. So the place where I'm putting these stoppers, it's close to where I marked, so I'm just going to be using that like a guide. So you just continue the process all around where you dotted. Here I'm just lacing up my polo like so. So in the next DIY, I already cut out a bow-like stuff on a hard paper. So I'm just going to be tracing it on my jeans like so. After tracing it, I'm just going to cut it out very neatly like you can see. Then I'm going to be putting another dark color denim fabric inside. Then I'm just going to be gumming it. I said in this tutorial you don't even need a sewing machine for this. This is just a fabric glue. It's called the B6000 glue. You can get it in any of the local supply shops or stores. At this point, I'm just going to allow you guys to watch. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and join the family. Yes. Up.